Hello students, welcome back. Now today moving to the next chapter, chapter 2, polynomials. First lecture. First of all, we will discuss about what is polynomial. Polynomials. The definition is given, a short definition. A particular type of algebraic expression is called polynomials. A particular type of algebraic expressions are called polynomials. And the smaller class also we know the unknown terms is representing by a variable, maybe x, y, etc. That is our system in mathematics. Unknown terms is representing by a variable. The variable may be x or y or z, whatever it may be. So that is our system, the tradition. The unknown terms are unknown variables representing by the variables x alphabets. So we just call it as a variable. So this polynomial means it's a particular type of algebraic expression. So, and here is some examples are given. 2x, x squared plus 2x, x cube minus x squared minus 4x plus 7. 4 examples are given. First one is 2x. Second one is x squared plus 2x. Third one is x squared minus x cube minus x squared plus 4x plus 7. So these all are the examples of polynomials. Now, next point is terms. Terms in a polynomial. Please, I have told you, whenever we study either in mathematics or social, when you hear, when you listen or when you watch the video, at the same time you have to take your notebook and you have to take your textbook and observe all these things in your textbook. So this chapter will take page number 28 and chapter number 2, 28 and 29. Now, what is terms? Terms in a polynomial. Now, first one is 2x. Look at here, 2x. Here in 2x there is only one term. There is only one term. Now x squared plus 2x. X squared plus 2x. So how many terms are there? 2 terms are there. One is x squared, another one is 2x. So there are 2 terms are there. X squared plus 2x. 2 terms are there. Then third one is x squared minus x cube minus x squared plus 4x plus 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4 terms are. Look at here. In this polynomial there are 4 terms. So the number of terms varies one polynomial to another. So you can clearly see the first example 2x only one term. Second one x squared plus 2x there are 2 terms. And the other one is x cube minus x squared plus 4x plus 7 equal to 4 terms are there. Now, terms is over. Now, coefficient. What is coefficient? Coefficient, the number on the left side to the variable 2x. What is on the left side? 2 is there. That is called the coefficient 2. Now, I can tell you, I show you another example. Now, suppose 2x cube. 2x cube. Now this 2 is called the coefficient, and what is this x cube? 3. 3 is called the power. 3 is called the power. So power and the coefficient. Power or degree. Power, or you can say degree. Another example, x squared plus another example, x squared plus 2x plus 1. So this how many terms are there? X squared plus 2x plus 1. 3 terms are there. The first term is x squared, second term is 2x, and the third term is 1. X squared plus 2x plus 1. Now look at here. First term x squared. There is no number. Correct? Number is there You cannot see the number, but there is one. If there is no number, you can imagine there is one is the coefficient, one is the coefficient. Okay. So usually we do not write one there, but one is there. Now okay. Now this is 2. 2 is the degree of the term, and 2x and 2x. This is 2 is the coefficient. 2 is called the coefficient, and this is constant term. So that is that is the way to find out the coefficient. Now, what is next point is what is constant polynomial. Now, example, see, look at here, x cube minus x squared plus 4x plus 7. Last name. In last there is a constant number 7. So this 7 is called a constant polynomial. So every time 5, sometimes 5, sometimes minus 5 or 7. These all are called a constant polynomial. And the 0 also. 0 is also called a 0 polynomial. 0 is also called a can call it 0 polynomial. Now, moving to the next point, classification of polynomial or types of polynomials. So, classification of polynomials and types of polynomials. We are classifying on the basis of two methods. One is on the basis of number of terms on the polynomial. We need to see how many terms are there in the polynomial. So there is a classification on the basis of number of terms. And second one is looking at the on the basis of degree of the polynomial. On the basis of degree of the degree. Looking at the polynomial and observing what is the degree of the polynomial. I will tell you how to observe it, degree of it. So mainly types of polynomial. You remember two types of classification are there. The first one is observing the number of terms in a polynomial. Then there is a classification. Then observe the degree of the polynomial. Then there is a classification. We will discuss one by one. Look at here. I will tell you. The first one is on the basis of number of terms. Look at here. Now, example. Look at it. 2x. How many terms? 1 term. Okay. So, if there is only one term, that is called what we call the one term. One term. That is called a monomial. That is monomial. One term, that is monomial. A polynomial which has only one term is called a monomial. It's very important. Classification of types में, types of polynomial में, classification on the basis of number of terms or classification on the basis of degree of the polynomial. So now I am discussing the classification, the types of polynomial according on the basis of number of terms in the polynomial. So very important. Monomial. What is monomial? If there is only one term, and such a polynomial is called a monomial. It's a polynomial. 2x is a polynomial, but a special name is there, monomial. Why we call special name monomial? Because this polynomial has only one term. Got it clear? 2x is a polynomial, but it is also called a monomial. Why? Because this polynomial has only one term. Clear? Did you got the idea? Okay, now second one is 2x plus 1. Look at here, 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1. 2 times. 2x plus 1. Constant term is there. So, how many times are there? 2 times. So, if 2 times are there, it is called binomial. 2 terms are called such polynomials are called binomial. Only one term, that is monomial. 2 terms, it's a binomial. Clear? Now another example. 3x square plus 2x plus 1. How many times? 3x square plus 2x plus 1. How many times? 3 times. First one is 3x squared, second one is 2x, and last one is constant times. So 3 times. If 3 times are there, it's called a trinomial. Okay? Clear? 1 time monomial, 2 times binomial, 3 times trinomial. Okay? 2x 1 time monomial, 2x plus 1 2 times binomial, 3x squared plus 2x plus 1 3 times, that is trinomial. So this is on the classification for the types of polynomial on the basis of number of times. Now another classification is there on the basis of degree of the polynomial. So what is the degree of the polynomial? Degree of the polynomial. There it is written. What is the degree of it? The highest power of a variable in a polynomial is the degree of the polynomial. Highest power. Example. Look at the example. 2x raised to 3 plus 2x raised to 3 plus x squared plus 2x plus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 times are. It's a polynomial. 2x raised to 3 plus x squared plus 2x plus 1. Okay. First term 2x cube coefficient 2 power 3. Second term x squared coefficient 1 power 2. Third term coefficient 2 power 1. And last term constant term and the power is 0. Constant term has the power 0. Clear? Now what is the degree of the polynomial? The definition clear states that the degree of the polynomial is the highest power of a variable in a polynomial of the degree. Now 1, 2, 3 times are there. The highest power is 3. Because here the highest power is 3. So therefore the degree of this polynomial is 3. The degree of the entire polynomial, the degree of the polynomial is 3. We need to find out the highest degree term. We need to find out the highest degree term. We need to find out the highest degree term. So that is the degree of the polynomial. Now again the classification. Now second one is on the basis of degree of the polynomial. Then what is the classification? How to classify degree of the polynomial on the basis of the degree of the polynomial? Look at page number 31. First one is linear polynomial. The first one is linear polynomial. First one is linear polynomial. The first one is linear polynomial. What is linear polynomial? Page number 31. First paragraph, third line. A polynomial of degree 1 is called a linear polynomial. A polynomial of degree 1 is called. A polynomial of degree 1 is called a linear polynomial. That is example 2x minus 1, 2x minus 1. 2 terms are there, but the variable x, the degree of the variable is 1. So, and this polynomial is known as a linear polynomial. Then, second one is the next paragraph, page number 31, second paragraph, first line. A polynomial of degree 2 is called a quadratic. Degree 2, quadratic polynomial. Degree 2, degree 1, this is degree 2. Example, quadratic polynomial 2x squared plus 5. 2x squared plus 5. Now, variable x squared, the power is 2. The power is 2. So, degree is 2. So, quadratic polynomial. And third one is, again, the next paragraph, Page number 31. A polynomial of degree 3 is called a cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. Degree 3 is called a cubic polynomial. Example. Cubic polynomial example. 5x cube plus 2x cube plus 1. 2x cube plus 1. 2x cube plus 1. 2 times, only 2 times are there, but the degree, look at the degree 2x cube. The power is 3. The power of degree is 3. So, it's a cubic polynomial. It's a cubic polynomial. Okay? Now the classification is very important. Is somebody asking? The classification, why? The two types of classification on the basis of number of terms, then classification on the basis of the degree of the polynomial. This is very important. The two types of classification. Classification on the basis of number of terms and the classification on the basis of the degree of the polynomial. Now look at number of terms. And with that classification I have told you, according to the number of terms, the classification is monomial, binomial and trinomial. If there is one term, that is monomial, two terms binomial, three terms trinomial. Then on the basis of degree, if the degree 1 is called a linear polynomial and degree 2 is called a quadratic polynomial and third degree, that is cubic polynomial. So that is the classification of the polynomial. And the zero, we get the zero polynomial, which is what is the degree of the degree of zero polynomial is, the degree of zero polynomial is not defined. It's very important. One more question, page number 31. Last but second paragraph. Last but one paragraph. Underline, that is the degree of the zero polynomial is not defined. Not so. Please note, the degree of the zero polynomial is not defined. The degree of the zero polynomial is not defined. Clear? Now, dear students, please complete exercise homework, exercise 2.1. Okay then, so I think it's done. We will meet you the next class. Till then, bye bye.